Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to a full day of eating while working. I am so glad that you guys were not along with me this morning when I came back downstairs from getting ready. So you guys know my whole morning routine. If you don't, check out the video, I'll link it down below. But I've already done a ton. I woke up, did my cardio, the dishwasher, blah blah blah, gave Vinny his treats. I actually gave him a different treat than I normally give him, which was dumb because I know that he has a really sensitive stomach, but he has had these treats before and he is totally fine. So I gave him his treats. Whatever, I went upstairs to get ready. I came back downstairs 20 minutes later and my whole living room was covered in poop. So that's the way I started my day. Happy Monday. Great. You know, it's just, that's a day in the life. It is what it is, you know. I'm thankful that Jack was still asleep for most of it. He woke up, he likes to kind of take his time. So Jack was in his crib while I got everything taken care of and gave Vinny a bath, and it was just nuts. Anyway, that put me a little bit behind schedule, but we're still doing our full day eating, girl. My macros have changed a little bit, which is why we're doing an updated full day of eating. It'll be a lot of the same foods. I think one food is gonna be different. The portions might be different. So you guys are gonna tag along for that. It is going to be while I am working. So 3 of my meals are gonna be done while I'm at work. So I'm gonna do a voiceover, just gonna film what's in my meal prep container. So I won't be doing a whole lot of chit-chatty stuff around that time. You know, because I'm at work. So just bear with me on that, but I thought I'd bring you guys along today so you can see what I do 5 days a week, how I eat out of my beautiful plastic Tupperware and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. I am currently a little under 6 weeks out, and I'm going to share my macros with you guys along with my meals. So let's get it started. Okay guys, welcome to meal number 1, which is going to be obviously a breakfast. I do want to preface this video by saying the only drinks that I will drink throughout the day are water and black coffee. That's all I have usually ever, definitely on prep. So here's our first meal.
Meal number 1 is going to be 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oatmeal mixed with 4 egg whites, and then I just top that with a little bit of cinnamon and stevia.
Okay guys, I have finished up my breakfast. Jack is all dressed and ready to go to school. He's playing with this new truck that I got him yesterday and he absolutely loves it, which makes me really happy. It's so cute. And yeah, I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna drop Jack off at his school, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me and so you can see what I'm eating for the rest of the day. Doesn't that sound fun? So happy to have you here. I just wanted to say this. I might have said this in a previous vlog, I'm not really sure, but ooh, this bus is pulling out right in front of me, girl. Whew. Good thing I'm paying attention. Okay, so what I wanted to say is that one of my healthy habits that I do every morning is listen to a podcast. I listen to something that inspires me, that gets me going for the day. The one that I listen to every single morning, Monday through Friday, is Quote of the Day Show by Sean Croxton. It is so good. And today, he has a speaker on there named Les Brown. And I mean, just the points that he makes are so crazy, and sometimes they're just things that really speak to you, that you need to hear. He's talking about how they, developed 300 uses for a peanut. This is an inanimate object, something that's not thinking or feeling. It has 300 uses. Imagine what you can do with your life if a peanut has 300 different uses. You know, just little, I don't know, little things like that, get in my head, when I have self-doubt, or, I'm not sure, whatever. It's self-doubt. It's all self-doubt. And sometimes hearing little things like that, you remember them throughout the day. They stick with you. So when you're in those moments of, am I doing the right thing? Could I be doing better? Should I be doing something else? Whatever. Sometimes those little quotes stick with you. And I love starting my day off like that. Amanda Bucci's Ignite Your Fire course, like she, you know, I've been learning from her, and she has lots of little quotes that like stick with me throughout the day, which has really helped my vlogging and my videos and all that kind of stuff, and just like being just like less afraid of doing it. So I just wanted to come on here and say that. I wanted to share that with you guys. But because during my full days of eating, I'd like to share some of my healthy habits with you. Alright, well, I'm pulling into Jack's school now, so I've got to roll. I'll see you guys at work.
It's the official start to my workday eating. This is meal number 2, and I eat this meal around 10 o'clock a.m. Here we are at meal number 2. Right there we have 1/3 cup of brown rice, 4 ounces of 99 lean ground turkey, 2 ounces of avocado, and then I just sprinkle that with some sriracha. I am telling you, this meal is so good.
Hello, beautiful people. I just wanted to pop in really quickly. You'll have just seen my 10 o'clock snack. I am now on my way to the gym. And for my last meal, you saw I had the 1/3 cup of brown rice, 4 ounces of ground turkey, and 2 ounces of avocado. I just wanted to note that that is on my heavier leg days, so that way I get that little extra energy boost and keep my muscles nice and full. And then on the days that I am not doing heavy leg days, I will substitute that rice for green beans or another vegetable of my choice. I choose green beans every single time, but I do have like a vegetable substitution list from my coach. So I just wanted you guys to note that. But anyway, I'm on my way to the gym now. I am doing hamstrings, glutes, and abs today? Yeah. I think that's what I'm doing. Anyway, maybe I'm doing calves. I forget. I always have to look at my plan when I get there. Anyway, guys, I hope that you're enjoying my full day of eating, and I'll see you at my next meal.
Welcome to the next meal, fam. This meal is had at 1 o'clock p.m. That is 4 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 cup of steamed green beans, and 3 ounces of sweet potato.
2 hours later.
Here we are at meal number 4, which is had around 3 o'clock p.m. This is 4 ounces of boneless, skinless breast with some hot sauce and served with 15 raw almonds.
Hey guys, what's up? I am back with you. I am done with work for the day. I'm gonna go pick up our little guy, Jack. It is so, so, so beautiful outside right now, which, as you guys know, puts the biggest smile on my face. Like when it's nice outside, life is just, it's so incredible. So, I'm gonna take Jack to do something outdoors, and then we're gonna go home and we're gonna have dinner and our snack, and I'll show you guys that, and I'll probably bring you along to whatever me and Jack do. I'll give you like little snippets of what whatever outdoor activity I end up bringing him along for, so I'll see you guys there. Oh my goodness, we had such a fun time at the park. Jack was so crazy. You guys probably just saw this clip, but it was Jack like taking a truck and like putting it up these stairs. So up the stairs is a slide. I didn't realize like why, I'm like, why is he going up there with that truck? Like he was gung-ho about getting that truck up there, and it's like, the truck was like as big as he was. So he gets it all the way to the top and then he pushes it down the slide. I was like, oh my god, I did not know you were bringing it to do that. I don't know what I was thinking, like, but it was, I just thought he was like bringing it up there with him, like, I don't know, just being a little boy. And he wanted to bring it up to push it down the slide, and it went so far because it was like a big metal truck. I was like, oh my god. And then immediately Jack flips himself over and goes down the slide. I was like, that's my kid. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you at our next meal. and the meal after that. Thank you for joining us. Welcome back for meal number 5. So meal number 5 is dinner. Right now it's about 5:30, which is just like a little bit later than I like to be eating, but that's okay. We were at the playground and we just got home like maybe 20 minutes ago. Jack was ready for dinner, so he's eating. I'm about to join him at the dinner table right now, but I want to show you guys my meal first. Okay guys, here is dinner. What we have are some cherry tomatoes, some white onion, 2 ounces of avocado, just a couple cups of romaine lettuce. Underneath here, if you could see it, we have some chicken and also 2 ounces of sweet potato. It is 4 ounces of the chicken. And then we also just top that with some balsamic vinegar. And here's the balsamic vinegar that I use. It's just a brand from Food Line. You can really get this anywhere. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys at my last meal. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy some dinner with my little boy right now. I'll see you guys again soon. Okay, so we are at our last meal, which is meal number 6. It's just a little bit past 7 o'clock. I do like to eat all of my meals by around 7-ish, give or take, but you know, life happens, especially when you have a little one, but I do the best that I can. Just as long as I'm eating every 2 to 3 hours, then we are all good. And I don't like to eat right before I go to bed. I just like everything to like properly digest before I'm down for the night. So let me go ahead and show you our last meal. Okay guys, here's our final meal, which is 4 egg whites, and then we have some peppers, cherry tomatoes, and onions mixed in there, topped with what appears to be too much sriracha. I definitely do that more often than I'd like to admit. It's probably gonna be a little bit too spicy for me, but still delicious. All right, thank you guys so much for watching another video, another full day of eating on a cut. I am 6 weeks out from my NPC bikini show. I am getting so excited. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up or shoot me a comment down below. Or if you want to see any other videos about my training, about my diet, just about my lifestyle, my family, just let me know and I will make those videos too. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and if you want to stick around, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and sign up for notifications if you want to be notified every time I make a video, which has been pretty often lately. All right, I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!